Hi there, welcome to 110RC Scale Tales. We're back in the garage and another video. Behind me you can see a cardboard box with a large question mark. It's a mystery box. It's die-cast. It's something I ordered in December of last year. I bought this from a company called Oxford Diecast, a big company here in the UK, sell models all over the world. They're famous for a number of brands including Carorama, Welly. They also sell their molds to various subscription brands such as Atlas and similar. If you like the video, please give me a like, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell for future RC videos, diecast, building, boats, trucks, you name it. It's all going to be here on the channel. Anyway, let's waste no more time. Let's open up the mystery box. Enjoy. So like I said, I bought this in December and bought it online. It's £50 and inside is up to a value of £120 worth of models randomly selected in the theme of your choice. Now all I know is inside the vehicles are 1/76 scale and they are from the Atlas Haulage collection. Now this was a subscription collection that was offered about 3-4 years ago, maybe longer, and each month they would issue a different model and post it to you for a certain amount of money. Now what they've done is they've got a lot of these in stock and I'm guessing they're trying to move the stock on. I don't know what's in the box. What you see will be the first time I see it too. So I'm looking forward. I'm excited to see what's inside the box. And let's open it up and see. What's the first one? Is a Scania T-Series curtain side. Number H777, named Kerry Jane. So for those that are not familiar, Eddie Stobart was a big haulier here in the UK, a common sight up and down the country. But what was famous about them also was each tractor unit was given a name and number, and this one was Kerry Jane, so it's a Scania T-Series curtain side. Very cool. Nice box. We'll open that up later. Alright, so got a Volvo FH and it's a mobile LED daylight screen. Very cool. So a 27 meter squared mobile LED screen. So what I'll do is once we get all these trucks out of the main shipping box, what we'll do is we'll open each box and have a look at the models closely. So this is an old ERF LV, a platform trailer, and it's called Linda. There's the old branding on the side there. Very cool. So it looks like most of these are actually Eddie Stobart. Got a Scania 94D 6-wheel box van. F018. Looking pretty good. Ford Cargo curtain side, called Leslie. F210. Looking very nice. Let's see, we'll get these open. We'll have a closer look at them. Got a Scania R440 Highline walking floor trailer, Amelia Ella. This is a nice triaxle trailer with a walking floor, and this was our renewable energy branch of the company called Stobart Biomass. Very nice. Still quite a few in here. Oh, got a coach. A Scania executive coach called Laura Abbey 6-wheeler Irizar, so a Scania Irizar, very nice. Yeah, still models in here. Got AEC ergomatic 6-wheel tipper, very cool. An Atkinson Borderer flatbed, very nice. I think there's one left, the biggest one. Special edition collector's model, World of Stobart. Doesn't actually say what it is. We'll open this one first, see what it is. See on the bottom. So this one is obviously licensed to Atlas editions. They're all licensed Atlas editions, and also the Stobart group. All under agreement with Oxford Diecast Limited. So this is much bigger than the rest of them, so I'm quite looking forward to seeing what's in here. So we'll get rid of the cardboard box and we'll open up these and see how they look. So not bad. Out of the mystery box there were 10 models, each one different obviously. I did not know what to expect. Wasn't sure what I was going to get, but obviously this is part of the Stobart subscription collection that ran for a number of years, about 5, 6, 7 years ago. I'll check that and put it on the bottom of the video when it ran. Very pleased with what we've got so far. In fact, very pleased with all the models, look absolutely amazing. But I'm very interested in this one here. Let's open up and have a look. Now it says special edition collector's model from the World of Stobart. Oh, look at this. So what we've got is another Scania with a low loader trailer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 axles on the trailer. And this is another branch of the Stobart enterprise, Stobart Rail, in the same livery but obviously in shades of blue. Nice model, like it. Oh, here we go, that's what it is. Scania R560 low cab and low loader called Lily Jean RV233. Very cool. I like that. So a very nice Ford cargo curtain side. Leslie, called Leslie. Very nice. So the good thing with 1/76 scale, it sits quite nicely with model train sets, dioramas, with trains, etc. Fits nicely. Very cool. This is a Scania 94D 6-wheel box van. What's this one called? Can't see the name on this one. Very nice. So this is a ERF LV platform trailer called Linda. Got a tipper truck this time. AEC Ergomatic 6-wheel tipper. Very nice. An Atkinson borderer. So this is sort of the 1960s, late 60s, early 70s. You sometimes still see these trucks on touring fairgrounds pulling old fun fair rides around the country. Not so much now, but the odd one or two do still work up and down the country. That one's a carriage, so that's what, 1972, I think, possibly 73 maybe. I'll check that. So we've got a 27 meter squared mobile LED daylight screen. And it's on a Volvo FH12 called Teletubby. A Teletubby, for those of you who don't know, was a TV program for under 3s and younger. It was actually famous because students all around the country used to watch it as well. It became quite a bit of a cult following with the Teletubbies. But it's a very nice Volvo FH12. I like that one. So I'm guessing what this one did was it would open up and have a nice screen that could be hired for events. I like that one. Very nice. Scania T-Series curtain side, Kerry Jane. Lovely model. Big truck. Very nice. Here's the bus. So, a Scania Irzar, Laura Abbey. Executive coach travel. Very cool. Nice detail. I do like the bus. What do you think? I think I've actually got a nice wee bargain here. There we go. Very cool. So it's a Scania R440 Highline walking floor with a walking floor trailer. Amelia Ella H8 200. So there we go. That is the Oxford Diecast Mystery Box. And I have to say, I'm very pleased. Very nice selection of diecast models. Nice collection. Across the age range of and genre of models. What's your favourite? I have to say I do like the Scania T series. I do like the Scania Irza coach. I have to say I do like this one here. This heavy haulage Scania R560 low cab and low loader Lily Jean. A very nice blue livery. So there you go, folks. That's my mystery box opening. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. Remember, please subscribe for future videos. Please comment, let me know what you think about the videos. Did you like the box opening? Would you like to see more diecast videos like this? And please hit that notification bell for future videos. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on collecting. All the best now. Bye bye.